See right here? That's the low beam bulb right here. And that's the high beam. You want to disconnect the connector right here. Just press this little tab, press it down, then try to wiggle it out. Then you turn counterclockwise. This low beam is HB4, which is the same as 9006. And on this side, you need to take these two rivets out so you can remove this cover. See this right here? Let's indicate that the bulb is right here. So you need to remove this cover. Then remove this right here. That right there. You do the same thing as on the other side. Remove the connector and turn counterclockwise. Press the tab. And wiggle it out. And then turn counterclockwise. HB4. This is the new LED bulb. When you put it there, make sure this tab is up like this. Make sure it's in the slot and then turn clockwise to lock it down. You see this little ridge right here? You want to line up with this right here. That's why it lock down the connector. Make sure it click. Now put the cover back on. All done. Look at how bright this LED bulb is. It's pretty bright. I like it. No yellow, pure white. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching.